What's up, everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to Patch Rich Entertainment Purposes Only. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. Who's excited for SaitaMask dropping literally in about an hour or two? Listen, everyone commented before and asked me, can you please do an instructional video when SaitaMask launches, or how do I put it on my phone and the steps to set it up? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, obviously, but this video is specifically for SaitaMask, how to set it up step by step, what to do. Don't mind the music in the background. It's literally from Saitama, their post. They launched this video. Little bit of techno. I don't have my glow sticks or anything. So the video is very short. It's step by step. So just watch the video. Follow step-by-step instructions. Easy as that. Let's get into it. Don't ever give anyone that phrase, ever. Look at how clean that is. I cannot be more excited to have SaitaMask moving all my coins over there. I know people are saying, oh, it's just another wallet. No, it is not. This is an all-in-one package. They're going to have so much stuff on there. This is not just a wallet. The security features alone make this a next generation wallet to store all your stuff, yes, but you're going to have your education platform, NFT platform. This is going to be insane. If you hold a bag of Saitama, if you're excited for SaitaMask, drop a comment below, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the little notification bell. This way, whenever I drop a new video, you're alerted. And let's get it, Saitama. See ya.